Hi, welcome back to another vlog. So today I have a couple of activities planned. So our house help, she is really sweet. She brings me mehendi every time she comes here. So I mean, she comes here twice a month, I guess. So she bought me mehendi. I can do mehendi and I can go for a walk. And surprise, I'm learning music, classical Carnatic music. I have learned it before, but I'm learning again after 5 years of gap. So I have to practice that so I can give you a very short glimpse of my how do I say, my worst voice, I guess, I suppose. So I will sing songs and upload videos when I'm confident enough and when I'm ready enough. But for now, you can only hear it for 5 to 10 seconds. So I have these three activities planned, but I also have to go to shop and buy a book for my new, Sangeetam book notes and all that. So I have all these activities planned and I'm super excited to, shoot this vlog. So let's go. Now I'll go grab my mehendi and I'll show you what I add in that and how I do mix my mehendi, and we will apply that and I'll see you all then. Stay tuned. I'm super excited. Hi, I'm back. So here I have my mehendi, so leaves, and I am going to grind it with ta-da, lemon, and I have some, oh, how do I show you? Okay, I have to turn it. Yeah, now you can see, right? Sugar. So sugar, it's my first time using sugar. So I'm seeing a lots of reels where they make henna adding sugar. So apparently that is supposed to give a good dark stain. So this is my first time too using sugar, and I'll let you know how the results are. So basically I keep mehendi for 2 hours and I will not sit under fan. And I have some curd. Oh god, how do I show it? Some curd over here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add sugar and this whole lemon, and then apparently not apparently so accordingly to the consistency, I'm going to slowly gradually add this curd and make it into a beautiful mehendi paste, and I'll see you while application. I don't know why, but I'm super happy today. My mood is super good and I don't want to let this go, let this ruin. So I'm doing everything that I wanted to do, that I was postponing before, because usually my days are so bad. I'll be super unmotivated and like lethargic and all that. But today I'm happy, in a good mood, so I want to do everything today. So you are going to see a lot of happiness and smile on me, and a huge voice like shouting. So get used to it for this vlog, and bye. Hi, so I am back and here I have my beautiful mehendi paste, but I think I made it too slurry, too smooth. I think it's going to fall out. Also I have these big nails which I painted black and it's going to stuck between, I guess, but I don't hope. So what I'm going to do is just tops, one moon, Chandamama, and just circles like this, if possible dots, if not no. So but we'll see. Oh, it's too smooth. Yeah guys, it's falling out. Can you see my, yeah, I guess you can see my finger from there. I should have kept one water mug beside me to even it out, but anyway, okay, it is staying, but it's, now my day will be so much bad, and I am once I'm disappointed in one little thing, it ruins my whole day. That's how my mind processes. So see, it's good, but yeah, can you see it's not covering the whole thing, and it's dripping if I put it like this. So that's really disappointing. So I'm cutting the camera right here and I'll see after applying. Sad. Hi, so it's staying, but see, look at this. Like, come on, it's already becoming red. I don't. Oh, I put the beauty filter on, so it's. I think it's evening out the color, red color, and trying to make it white, but it's super red already, and I haven't even applied to the whole thing yet. So yeah, that cut my disappointment, and I'm super happy again. I'll see you after. Hi, so I have done with this. So I wanted to share a trick. So I'm for dots I am taking this one and I'm just dipping it in the mixture like this and put it like this. So there you go, dot without your hand. So not that big dots. If you want to do small dots, you can use this technique. So I just wanted to share this tip, so I turned the camera back on. So it's okay now. I think I made the paste too slurry, so it's staying still and it's staining beautifully. See how dark. So the camera kind of made it orange, look like orange, but it's really red and dark, and I'm super happy. I'll see you after 2 hours when it is done. Hi, it's done. So I have took this and did kind of like this, and by strapping that I put it all along, and now let's just wait for 2 hours and let it dry and we will see how that stains. See, it's already red. I hate the camera that it is showing orange. Bye. Hi, so it is orange, it's not red like I expected, so it's pretty disappointing, but I guess I hope it will turn red. So what I'm going to do is just take a very little bit of coconut oil and just rub it over. I did not wash it, I just took it off like this, and now we are going for a walk and I will take you guys with me. So come. I want oil, but I don't want oil on my phone, so I'm just going to do this. And let us mask up and go for a walk. Double mask, very important. Come, let's go. Hi, so as you saw, I bought books for my music, and this one is for my sister and one is for me. And so I'm thinking I should sing or not. I really don't want to. I'm super embarrassed, so I don't think I will do. I will show you how I practice, but I'll just cut the audio, I guess. So that is it for now, and we have 2 other tasks to do. I made that super yummy delicious double ka meetha recipe, which will come previous of this recipe, sorry, which will be, this is not a recipe, this is about, okay, so which will come before this video, and that I'm going to go give to my neighbors. And this beautiful mehendi that I made, which is still orange and kind of turning red, I don't know if you can see on camera or not, and this looks super good, black nail polish with red. On camera it's showing like orange, so I'll have to go give mehendi to my neighbors. We have that task to do, and we will do that also, and I'll plan something else for it to be interesting, or I'll just call it a day and we'll see how that goes. Bye. Packed my double ka meetha for my neighbor. Come, let's go give her. Mehendi, come, let's go give her and see how she feels. So this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is my Mehendi finally. But I wanted to do more things, but I wanted to show you what my next video is going to be about. I wanted to shoot something else, and I also wanted to shoot while practicing my music, but my anxiety just started kicking in and I'm really not feeling that well. So maybe after an hour or so I won't even be this motivated to shoot the climax of the video, the ending. So I'm just cutting it off right here, and that is it. Comment down below if you want to see more vlogs, and tell me what you want to see, what activities should I do in my next vlog. Comment down below everything, what you feel, how you feel, how is my the way of speaking, and how else you want it to be, and in what topics you want to see me more talking about, etc, etc. And like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you all next time. And take care, wear a mask, go get vaccinated, stay safe, stay happy.